Good morning, sir.
Good morning. So first of all of you mention your sections in your names.
Sir mentioned.
Good.
Mentioned.
Anji. Angel Gupta, you want to say?
Mentioned.
Sorry, sir, just by mistake and it was done. I don't want to say anything.
Okay, okay. The first lecture there were more students, now there are less students. So I should have discussed this thing which I wanted to discuss with you all in the first period only, because there were more students. Mandina beta, good
Sir,
morning.
is it about art integration project?
Yes.
Good morning, sir.
Mandina अपना मुंह छुपा रही है, पता नहीं क्यों. Mandina, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
Sir, I'm good.
Are you happy now?
Yes, sir.
मतलब, do you know why I am asking this?
No, sir.
No, you don't know.
Sir, I know.
Now you will be having online classes only.
Yes, sir.
Happy.
Yes, sir.
तुम्हारी वजह से स्कूल ने डिसाइड किया कि मंदीना ने कहा है कि ऑनलाइन क्लास करवानी है, तो स्कूल ने कहा ठीक है ऑनलाइन क्लास.
सर मैंने तो कहा ही नहीं था.
नहीं कहा था, मेरे से तो कहा था तुमने.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, तो बस फिर मैंने कह दिया मंदीना चाहती है कि स्कूल की ऑनलाइन क्लासेस कंटिन्यू होनी थी, तो उन्होंने कहा ठीक है मंदीना चाहती है तो हम ऑनलाइन क्लासेस.
Sir, your voice is coming very low.
Now is it fine, Tanishka? Is it fine now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so till now only 33 have joined. I wanted to discuss something very important with you all. I don't know why there is so number of students are so less. In the first period there were more students. I should have discussed this in the first period only. Or shall we wait for 1 or 2 more minutes, then we should start?
Sir, wait for 2 minutes.
There are now 37 students.
So first of all, you tell me, I am asking you something. All of you, those who want to answer. You tell me that has any teacher discussed anything about art integration till now?
Yes, sir.
No,
Yes,
ma'am.
Hindi
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sadhana,
Yes,
ma'am.
sir.
Sadhana ma'am.
Sadhana ma'am has discussed. What about your science
Sir,
teacher?
Smriti ma'am also. Yes, sir. Smriti ma'am also.
Sir, Smriti ma'am also.
Ma'am, sir, in 7B, it has not been discussed by any teacher.
Okay.
No, sir, it was discussed.
Sir, no.
Sir, in
Science
7C,
also
Smriti ma'am and
Smriti
Sadhana ma'am also discussed it.
तो सबसे पहले मैं
Sadhana also discussed.
सेकंड बी से बात करता हूँ. राजनंदिनी ने भी मुझे बताया. राजनंदिनी बेटा कौन से टीचर ने डिस्कस करा अभी तक?
Smriti ma'am and Ritija ma'am.
चलो क्या बताया टीचर्स ने?
सारे सब्जेक्ट्स का आपका टॉपिक बात होगा.
Do you remember a little bit? Anyone from 7C, even मिश्रा जी जरा एक मिनट बात करिए मेरे से. मिश्रा जी.
Yes, sir.
हाँ जी मिश्रा जी, you tell me that in 7C साइंस के बारे में has anything been discussed in art integration in science?
No, sir. Smriti ma'am only told the groups and nothing else.
She told you the groups and she has not told you what is to be done.
Yes, sir.
ये नहीं बताया.
in seventh
Sir, in 7th B also she has
told the groups. Sir, she has told us to group project, but she has
Yes,
told us to
yes,
stay
sir.
on hold.
Sir, we have to pause the project.
Sir,
She has
Smriti
told
ma'am.
us to stay on hold
Sir,
and not do anything until all the teachers say anything.
Okay, and what about Reeti ma'am? अभी किसी ने Reeti ma'am का नाम लिया था और Reeti ma'am ने क्या बताया आपको?
सर अभी इससे पहले वाली क्लास में उन्होंने समझाया था ये कि
What?
आपको ग्रुप बन गए हैं. टॉपिक गुजरात है और सारे सब्जेक्ट्स को एक ही में लाना है कंबाइन करके.
Okay. तो मैं आपको मैथ्स का बताता हूँ. अभी देखिए मैं बताता हूँ, अच्छे से हो सकता है समझ में आ जाए. I don't know whether other teachers have done this or not. They will be doing it. If they have not done it till yet, they will be doing it, and most probably today only they will do it in the remaining periods, today or tomorrow. Okay, in the coming 2 days, today or tomorrow. So maths का हम discuss कर लेते हैं यहाँ पे. So the art integration topic for all the students of class 7 in all the subjects is same, that is Gujarat. आपको पता चल गया होगा that Gujarat is the topic.
Yes, sir.
पता चल गया ना? Gujarat is a nice
Yes,
state.
sir.
You are very lucky that we have got Gujarat as the topic. Okay, Gujarat is full of culture, full of colors also. Gujarat is a very colorful state. मालूम है आपको?
Yes, sir. And the food of Gujarat is also very sweet.
Food of Gujarat is also very sweet. Gujarat is a sweet state and its food is
ढोकला
also
सर ढोकला.
ढोकला, फाफड़ा, जलेबी, खांडवी. मालूम है? What else you know?
Sir, undio.
What else you know about Gujarat?
Sir, they have Garba also, their traditional dance.
Sir, Dandiya.
Dandiya.
Sir, I know a little bit language
Sir,
of
Sir, Gir National Park.
Sir, Gabra, sir.
Sir, there is a shop in Gujarat which sells the sweets with the golden wrapping.
Sir, there is a shop in Gujarat, sir, where fire pan was invented.
अच्छा. Fire pan ये क्या होता है?
सर पान पे सर लौंग लगा के आग जला देते हैं और फिर जब वो मुंह के अंदर जाता है सर तो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड सब मुंह के अंदर बहुत होती है तो अपने आप आग बुझ जाती है सर लौंग की. सब पान खा लेते हैं लोग बस.
अच्छा.
Yes, sir. But sir, वो
Sir,
बहुत गंदा
there is
होता
a
है.
shop of
But-
sweet in Gujarat that sells the sweet with the golden wrapping.
सर वो फायर पान बहुत गंदा होता है, वो कोड़ा कोड़ा होता है.
Okay. Have you ever eaten it? Mandina, is
Yes,
there
sir.
anyone in this whole lot of students? Is there anyone who's from Gujarat? Who belongs to
No
Gujarat?
sir,
No.
I am from Rajasthan.
Rajasthan से हैं. Rajasthan and Gujarat are neighbors. Very similar culture they have.
not from Gujarat, but my Mosi lives in Gujarat.
अच्छा. So Raj Nandini, do you know something about Gujarat? You are a neighbor.
Nah, I don't know anything. I only just know about the dance and the food culture.
Dance and the food. Okay.
And sir, food also.
So we have.
our Prime Minister is also from Gujarat.
I have thought of something from Gujarat to relate it with mathematics. मैंने कुछ सोच लिया है जिसको मैं मैथ से
मैंने भी
रिलेट
सोचा है पर बता नहीं सकता.
अच्छा चलो बताओ. वो अच्छा सा ही बताना.
कि
गंदा
measurings.
No, sir. सर अगर बता दूंगा तो कोई और ले लेगा ना वो.
नहीं, सबको सेम ही टॉपिक रखना है.
नहीं सर, बट मैथ से रिलेटेड जो भी चीज है.
sir, math से related.
Listen. मैं बताता हूँ. There is nothing like that कि if you are doing something, the others can't do that thing, because every student in all the subjects they will take the same topic. If suppose someone is taking from social science, they are doing सपोज उन्होंने गुजरात का कोई पुराना मॉन्यूमेंट से रिलेटेड कुछ बताया, उसकी हिस्ट्री बताई इन सोशल साइंस. They have taken a particular monument and they have told about the history of that monument. So every
Sir.
will do that only. Okay. So that teacher
Sir.
will guide you what to do. You give your idea to me. I will see if your idea is good. I will give it to every student.
Okay,
Sir.
sir. So so my
Excuse me, sir.
idea is that
Wait a minute. उत्कर्ष पूछ रहे हैं, कुछ कहना चाह रहे हैं, बेटा बताइए.
Sir, Gujarat is sir 17,000 sir 4 to 7 meters square foot sir.
एरिया.
Yes sir.
वाह, क्या बताइए, एक बहुत अच्छी चीज बताइए. देखिए मैथ से रिलेटेड वैभव ने गुजरात की एरिया बताया है. गुड. चलिए और
Thank you, sir.
उत्कर्ष बताएं भी.
Yes,
क्या
sir. Sir, we are going to tell about.
हाँ जी, मंदीना बताइए. चलो उत्कर्ष एक मिनट रुको, मंदीना की भी सुन लेंगे. हाँ जी.
Sir, we can take the population of Gujarat.
हाँ, पॉपुलेशन ऑफ गुजरात के बारे में डिस्कस कर सकते हैं. ये मैंने भी सोचा था पॉपुलेशन के बारे में, एरिया के बारे में, लेकिन फिर बाद में मैंने कुछ आइडिया चेंज करा है. मैं अभी आपको अपना आइडिया भी बताता हूँ. पहले मैं उत्कर्ष का आइडिया सुनूं. बच्चों के आइडियाज भी सुनने चाहिए ऑब्वियसली.
Sir, my idea is that I will tell, so my group will tell the importance of maths in Gujarat because the people of Gujarat are more associated with business and
Yes,
in
sir.
business the maths is very important.
ओहो, देखिए बहुत अच्छी बात
सर
कही.
ये तो सर, पर सर ये तो मुझे सर पहले से पता था.
देखिए उत्कर्ष has
मेरे
also
साथ रहता है.
given a very good point that Gujarat is also known for its business. Gujarat is a state which is whose people are known as they are very
Sir,
very
mostly
good
involved
business.
in business.
Mostly involved. All of them are mostly involved in business.
Yes sir.
So they are considered to be very good businessmen, the people of Gujarat.
It's a
So he's
mathematician too.
thinking to relate mathematics with business of Gujarat. This is also a very good idea. मैंने एक आइडिया सोचा है, अभी एक बच्चे ने उसको चैट बॉक्स में भेजा है. मैं बताता हूँ व्हाट इज द आइडिया. अक्षत राज बोलेंगे कुछ, आपने क्या भेजा? दैट इज
सर काइट.
काइट. देखिए मैंने भी ये सोचा है. गुजरात और काइट का रिलेशन मालूम है?
यस सर. सर उत्तरायण.
यस.
Sir, no.
गुजरात. अच्छा अक्षत, आई थिंक आजकल तुम गुजरात में ही हो शायद. अक्षत.
यस सर.
गुजरात में क्या करने गए हो?
सर चेकअप करवाने अपना. सर अभी हेल्थ ज्यादा ठीक नहीं थी.
अच्छा. हाउ आर यू नाउ?
सर नाउ आई एम ग्रेट.
Now you're great. And do you live in Gujarat or what? Something only you went for a checkup?
No sir, I mostly live here, so I am in his house.
So you are.
And my parents are in Bareilly only.
In her house.
Okay. So you are related to. Sorry, you have gone for a checkup. Consult a doctor, and your relatives are there in Gujarat. Okay. So the topic that I have thought of is that let me discuss. My idea क्या है? मेरा आइडिया क्या है मैं बताता हूँ आपको. मैंने इसको पॉइंट्स में लिखा हुआ है with me. Yes. So first of all, we will relate the kite festival of Gujarat.
So now also there are 40 students.
अरे वाह, मजा आ गया. चलो 40 स्टूडेंट्स तो चलो अच्छी बात है. काइट
सर
फेस्टिवल.
सिर्फ आपकी क्लास में 40 होते हैं.
वो भी 3 सेक्शन मिला के. So kite festival of Gujarat. ये सुना हुआ है आपने काइट फेस्टिवल? There is a kite festival in Gujarat. सुना है किसी ने?
Yes, sir.
हाँ जी.
Yes, sir.
हमारा ने क्या
Yes
प्लानिंग?
sir.
आर्ट इंटीग्रेशन का मीनिंग क्या होता है? You relate the culture, the art related to that a particular state with mathematics से relate हमको करना है. तो पहला काम क्या रहेगा? The first thing that you all will be doing. देखो first thing तो मैंने ये बता दूं, वो I think your coordinator has also told you that there will be groups made. फॉर एग्जाम्पल मे बी रोल नंबर 1 से लेकर 5 तक या रोल नंबर 1 to
सर
6
ग्रुप बन चुके हैं।
बन चुके हैं। क्या
Groups
क्या
are
बताया
made.
मैम ने? मैम ने क्या बताया ग्रुप्स के लिए?
Groups are made roll number wise.
roll number wise.
रोल नंबर वाइज फॉर
The roll
एग्जाम्पल
number wise.
Sir, roll number one.
so there are 5 students or 6 students in each group?
Sir, 5 students.
The 5 students.
5.
Okay.
From roll number 1 to roll number 5.
Okay. In all the sections?
Sir, in some groups there are 6 because some students do not have group and they have less.
Okay. तो देखिए मैं बताता हूँ क्या है यहाँ पर। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आपको काइट फेस्टिवल के बारे में थोड़ा बहुत बताना है। बहुत सिंपल काम कर रहे हैं, ज्यादा सिरदर्दी वाला काम नहीं है। इट इज वेरी सिंपल। You have to tell something about kite festival which is celebrated in Gujarat. You have to tell about that. ठीक है, कल्चर भी बताना है थोड़ा, so that this is the culture of Gujarat. Second thing, now you have to start with mathematics of kite festival. पहला तो आपको बताना है, you have to relate the kite festival with geometry. Geometry से कैसे relate कर सकते हैं? Kite is in the shape of, kite is what? Kite is a type of, kite is a type of
Quadrilateral.
So kite is a type of quadrilateral. So you have to tell about kite that in a kite there are 2 pairs of equal sides in a kite which are adjacent to each other. The equal pairs, the equal sides are adjacent to each other. If this is a kite, ABCD is a kite, then the side AB is equal to side BC and the side AD is equal to side DC. मालूम है आपको? काइट आपने फ्लाई करी होगी very often. So
Yes, sir.
this
Yes,
is
sir.
a
Yes.
kite, and sometimes in a kite you see at the bottom there is a show के लिए लगा देते हैं. There is a triangular shape also at the bottom. So this also can be done. So you have to tell about the geometry of a kite. You have to tell about the properties of a kite. Kite की diagonals अगर हम join करें, you must have सबने शायद ट्राई देखा तो होगा ही काइट को. You must have tried flying a kite. So the
Yes,
diagonals of a kite are perpendicular, always perpendicular to each other, and many other properties are there. All these properties you have to search and find out, and you have to tell about a kite. So this is first thing that you have to do about a kite.
Excuse
Kite
me,
को
sir.
जी
Sir, can I also do the activity which I told? Means the topic
बेटा
which I told.
we all will be doing the same activity. सबको same ही activity करनी है. Okay.
So means this one only, kite festival.
This one only. This one. आपका आइडिया भी बहुत अच्छा लगा मुझे. I will think of it.
Sir,
अगर
like one group will work on geometry, other will work on any other property of kite.
same, सब लोग same काम करेंगे.
Excuse me, sir.
जी.
मतलब सर
Yes.
सब लोग
Excuse me,
सब
sir.
प्रॉपर्टी पे काम करेंगे.
Yes. हाँ जी हाँ जी हाँ जी. हाँ बेटा बताइए.
Like there are 5 children in the group, so one will describe history, one will describe maths, one will science, like this.
Yes.
नहीं. All the students of all the groups, all the groups will work on all the subjects. जैसे group 1 है आपका, roll number 1 to 5. They will do for maths as well as science, social science, Hindi, whatever, English, सारे subjects का काम सारे groups पे.
Sir, French and Sanskrit also.
French या संस्कृत के बारे में I'm not sure. I'm not sure कि क्या होगा French and संस्कृत में. But in all the other subjects, you have to, all the groups will work on all the subjects. Okay, same topic.
Sir, we have to relate with computer and GK also.
गुजरात आपका टॉपिक है. गुजरात will remain common. मैथ्स में भी कॉमन रहेगा, साइंस, एसएसटी सब चीजों में कॉमन रहेगा गुजरात. अब मैथ्स में मैंने एक पर्टिकुलर चीज ले ली है. There is something from Gujarat, kite festival मैंने ले लिया है मैथ्स में. Kite festival का कल्चर बताएंगे आप, पहली चीज हो गई. Then you relate the kite with the following topics. First topic मैंने क्या बताया? I told you geometry. You relate kite with geometry. Easy है relate करना, कितना आसानी से relate हो जाएगा.
And sir, so there is one more math, sir. When we
हाँ जी.
नहीं sir, वो नहीं है math.
Okay, second thing you have to relate kite with. हाँ जी. जी. Anything else? हाँ बोलो.
So
अच्छा
by
मेरी
flying a kite, sir, we need angle also.
first you listen to me and then I will listen to you all. पहले मुझे finish करने दीजिए, ठीक है? Then I will listen to you all. Okay? पहले मैं finish कर देता हूँ. So relate kite festival with geometry. Kite को मैं geometry से बहुत easily relate कर सकता हूँ. Second thing is Pythagoras theorem. कोई बताएगा Pythagoras theorem से कैसे relate कर सकते हैं kite को?
Sir,
If
may
we
I
make
tell?
diagonals, sir, if
Sir,
we
when
make
we make
diagonals,
Perpendicular
diagonals.
square plus
पर
base
कितनी
square is
लंबी
equal to
kite रही है?
hypotenuse square.
ये कैसे? How?
Yes, sir,
Sir,
HYP,
because it's
sir, HYP
Sir,
diagonals
square
have
equals to
perpendicular
B
right
square
square
plus
plus
angle.
base square is equal to hypotenuse square.
देखिए यहाँ पर point A पर there is a boy flying standing at this point, okay, and flying a kite. ये उड़ रही है kite आपकी, दिख रहा है ये जो मैं बोर्ड पे बना रहा हूँ. Suppose the kite is at point B. This is the thread of the kite, okay. Kite का thread की length suppose boy को या आपको मालूम है. Let us assume that it is 60 meters, okay. So 60 meters हम मान लेते हैं इसकी length, and the point at which the kite is away from the boy, horizontal distance between the boy and the kite is, suppose it is 36 meters, okay. Then you have to find what is the height at which the kite is flying from the ground, the height at which the kite is flying from the ground. ये आपको find करना है. So this is a question of Pythagoras. Am I right or not?
Yes,
So this is
sir.
the question of Pythagoras.
Yes, sir.
तो
Yes,
ऐसे ही
sir.
आपको सोचना है and you have to.
but sir, anyone can fly just straight the kite, so
Sorry.
जरूरी थोड़ी ना हमेशा इसी मोशन में हो, क्या पता वो स्ट्रेट मोशन में भी उड़ा लेते हैं कुछ लोग.
नहीं बेटा, we have to consider all. We don't have to consider all those terms and conditions. हमको एक सिंपल सी चीज लेनी है. That मान लीजिए thread एकदम straight है kite का और it is at a distance that the kite is from the boy. The horizontal distance of the kite is 36 meters. This is the horizontal distance. You have to find what is the vertical distance between the ground and the kite. ऐसा कुछ आप भी अपने हिसाब से सोच करके you can form a question of your own and you can relate it to Pythagoras theorem. Second thing clear हो गया आपको? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Third thing. The third topic that you can relate kite festival is symmetry. Symmetry से relate कर सकते हैं kite को?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
The white lines.
So this is the line of symmetry of a kite. Various types of kites are there. Kites बहुत से तरीके की बनती हैं. You can always use pictures from internet of a kite. Kite की pictures आप internet से use कर सकते हैं. But there is one thing which is very, 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 very important in a kite. वो क्या है? Symmetry. अगर kite में symmetry नहीं है, you cannot fly a kite. Do you know this? आपको मालूम है?
No, sir.
नहीं पता है?
No,
अगर
sir.
मैं kite
No,
को
sir.
एक साइड से बड़ा बना दूंगा और एक साइड से छोटा बना दूंगा, that means if the two sides are not mirror images, vertical line of symmetry, this is known as line of symmetry. अगर ये मैं ऐसा कुछ करता हूँ, this side is bigger, a little bigger as compared to this side of the kite, then you cannot fly this kite. It is not possible to fly this kite properly. Okay. So symmetry in a kite is very important. So you can relate it to symmetry. Third चीज हो गई, समझ में आ गई आपको? And you can take pictures, take the help of pictures to explain this topic. Symmetry से relate करने के लिए you can always take help from internet, the pictures from the internet of kites, different types of kites you can take, and you can show that one thing is common in every kite, which is the symmetry part. Okay. Clear हो गया?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So
Yes, sir.
then the fourth thing in all the topics you can always take help from internet or whatever. If you can make your own pictures of kites, that is also good. That is also allowed. You can do different things. You can use your innovation, but the topics will remain the same. Okay. Fourth thing, आप अपना इसमें कुछ मिर्च मसाला जरूर ऐड कर सकते हैं. ओके, टू चेंज द फ्लेवर. सबका टेस्ट सेम नहीं होना चाहिए. खाना आप बनाएंगे, खाना कैसे बन रहा है, क्या बनाना है, वो मैंने बता दिया. समझ में आ रही है मेरी बात? अब लेकिन खाने का टेस्ट सबका अलग अलग होना चाहिए, तभी मजा आएगा. आर यू गेटिंग माई पॉइंट और नॉट?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Congruent triangles. कैसे रिलेट कर सकते हैं काइट को कॉन्ग्रुएंट ट्रायंगल्स से? कॉन्ग्रुएंसी
Yes,
किसी
sir.
किसी ने तो पढ़ ली होगी अभी तक. पढ़ी है कॉन्ग्रुएंसी? नहीं पढ़ी तो पढ़ लेंगे. आफ्टर दिस वी विल स्टार्ट विद कॉन्ग्रुएंसी ओनली. तो ये एक काइट मैंने
Sir, I
बनाई.
have studied.
This kite I have drawn here. Do you know that in a kite, it is a kite of this shape. Kite की बहुत सारी shapes हो सकती हैं. जरूरी नहीं कि ऐसा ही shape हो. Other shapes are also possible. तो this is a kite. कई जगह मैंने देखा वो वाली जो human.
Sir, dragon kite.
हाँ, ड्रैगन काइट्स होती हैं. ह्यूमन की फॉर्म में भी काइट्स होती हैं. बहुत सारी अलग अलग
Sir,
तरीके
it
की
has a
kites.
long tail.
हाँ, तो वो सारी काइट्स, but this is one of the common form of kite. So here, there this triangle. First of all, triangle ABC. Triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ADC. ABC or ADC are congruent triangles. You can show why they are congruent triangles. आपको काम करना है, ये कैसे करना है. मैं congruent triangles chapter पढ़ाऊंगा. You will understand it in detail, so that will become easy for you. तो ये वाला काम आप बाद में कर सकते हैं after studying the chapter congruent triangles. Fourth वाला जो है, ये वाले starting के 3 you can start working on them right now. Okay. Last वाला part है, we will be studying congruent
Sir,
triangles.
means can we start with the project now?
You can start thinking about it. You can start doing something about it.
Sir,
Yes.
relating to maths, we can do
Yes.
start the
Maths,
maths.
we can start.
Sir, some kites are there whose all the four sides are equal. So sir, in those kites there can be two lines of symmetry.
Yes, possible है, बिल्कुल. Very good, correct. You are right. There are some kites where all the four sides are equal. जब चारों sides equal होती हैं तो वो kite क्या बन जाती है? It becomes a rhombus. पता है आपको? किसी kite में ऐसा होता है कि all the four sides are equal. तो वो kite कौन सी होती है? That is known as a rhombus. Okay. So there you can have two lines of symmetry. तो ये सब चीजें भी आप बता सकते हैं. यही मेरा मतलब था. You can add your मिर्च मसाला. तो आपने वो मिर्च मसाला थोड़ा सा एक्सपोज कर दिया यहाँ पर. समझ रहे हो बेटा? कौन था ये? Who was this? किसने बताया था?
क्या?
सर और भी पॉइंट्स अभी मेरे पास.
अच्छा, very good. So these points which you have, you can add them here. So this can obviously help your group. You can give these ideas in your group. इन्होंने जैसे अभी क्या बताया? इन्होंने बताया that we can have a kite where all the four sides are equal. Yes, it is possible to have all the four sides of a kite equal. Okay, so that is a special type of kite that is known as rhombus. So all these things you can also add these type of things. Okay, so here triangle.
Sir, please wait a second. They're taking screenshot.
Here triangle AOB is also congruent to triangle AOD. Triangle AOB is congruent to triangle AOD. Also triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ADC. तो इसके बारे में we will study the chapter, then you will understand it in detail कि मेरा क्या meaning है कहने का. Okay. I hope that whole topic is clear. Kite festival आपको clear हो गया. Maths में क्या करना है? Is it clear or not? If you have any doubts, you can ask now. Yes. Any doubts?
Sir, on the group, the school has posted a message of English Olympiad.
It's an English Olympiad. So
So,
it
sir,
is
we have to do.
Sir, it is compulsory for all the students.
you can, those who have participated, those who have paid the fee for this English Olympiad, they can start their Olympiad. It is at 11 a.m. So those who are taking part in it, they can go and start doing it.
Sir, it's already
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, ma'am has made groups, but we are not having phone numbers of 2 or 3 children in our group.
That I don't know, beta. Your class teacher can only tell you about this. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Anji Kartike, I don't know about GK and computer. We have to relate Gujarat with GK and computer.
Sir, Smriti ma'am said that we have to relate Gujarat with science, literature, Hindi, maths, and SST.
Okay.
And sir, if there are 6 students, then you can relate it with GK and computer also.
Yes.
Okay. So yes, I think it is clear. Any other query?
No, sir.
No, sir, clear.
Everything is clear about the kite fest. Mathematics में क्या करना है आपको? This is clear, everything. Or not? First of all, about mathematics मुझे बताइए. उसके बाद आगे की बात करेंगे. Clear or not? बताओ बेटा, क्या चुप क्यों गए? You are not answering.
Yes, sir.
Clear.
Yes,
Clear?
sir.
Okay.
Clear.
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 Okay. Very good. So groups will be made, and then I will guide you about the groups also. कि group में कौन बंदा कैसे कैसे काम कर सकता है. For example, एक example मैं दे रहा हूँ. If suppose there are 5 students in a group, this is my suggestion. You can do changes on your own also. Okay. My suggestion is that there are 5 things in this topic. 5 चीजें हैं. कैसे हैं? The first thing क्या है यहाँ पे? What is the first thing? You have to tell the culture of kite festival. ये काम करना है. So one student can do that. Second thing in this is the geometry part. Relate the kite festival with geometry part. ये second student कर सकता है. Third student can do relate the kite festival with Pythagoras theorem. Then fourth student can relate the kite festival with symmetry, and the last one can relate the kite festival with congruent triangles. So this is my suggestion. You can do like this, or you can do changes on your own. अगर सारे बच्चे सब चीजों के बारे में बताना चाहते हैं, you can do it. Okay. But everyone has to participate. This is very important. Every student from all the group have to participate. All the students. It is compulsory.
Sir, in my group, there is one child whom I added 4 times and he left again and again.
Okay. So you have made groups also, your WhatsApp groups also. For
Yes,
this.
sir.
sir.
We have made.
Very good. You all are very quick in doing all these things. बहुत तेज हैं आप लोग. But I think ma'am has suggested you to do it.
No,
Ma'am,
sir, we did
हाँ जी.
it ourselves.
अच्छा खुद ही आइडिया लगा दिया. बहुत अच्छे. So this you all can discuss कि what to do, how to do, take help from where, internet ये वो वहाँ यहाँ वहाँ सबसे कैसे करना है. अच्छा मैम ने आपको ये भी बताया है कि किस फॉर्म में सबमिट करना है आपको अपना प्रोजेक्ट, जो भी है किस फॉर्म में सबमिट करना है. आप नो
Sir, video.
The video.
In the form of a video. So you have to explain, you have to give a presentation kind of thing on a video where you are.
Sir, can we do this?
Yes. What can we do this? What?
Sir, can we do this art integration individually? मतलब alone?
You have to do it in a group. It is compulsory to do it in a group.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Oh,
So
that's
this
why मैं भी
this
help
is
कर देता.
this is from CBSE. CBSE's these are terms and conditions of CBSE. They want it to be done in groups. because they want students to build up teamwork. Okay. Teamwork
sir.
up in
Sir,
the winner will get marks. उससे
Sir,
बड़ा
I think there is no winner in these groups.
all the students will be winner first of all.
Yes, sir.
No, sir,
Baki
there should be a
marks
winner.
will be given on your basis on your presentation, your hard work, your matlab, knowledge you have put into it. So all these things will be taken into consideration. क्या-क्या चीजें? First of all कि आपका knowledge इसमें कितना आपने apply किया है. Second thing, how is your presentation? How you are showing it to the world कि मैंने यहाँ पर क्या करा है, कैसे करा है, वो that is also very important. Confidence दिखना चाहिए. Third thing क्या हो सकता है? Your क्या बोला था मैंने? How you are using the resources. Resources बहुत हैं. When you are doing working online, there are lot of resources you can use online. तो बहुत सी चीजें आप obviously consider कर सकते हैं. So a lot of things are there. एक और
Sir,
चीज मैंने I think बोली थी. Yes.
sir, you will make our groups or we have to make our own groups?
Teachers have.
Sir, we have to make. Excuse me, sir. We have to make our own groups. Smriti ma'am said.
नहीं. The groups
Sir,
are.
the groups are already made.
The groups are already made, and the groups are made roll number wise. Roll number 1,
Sir,
2, 3.
I was saying that on the WhatsApp group we have made a group in which are participants.
I got it. Mandina is talking about WhatsApp groups. So WhatsApp group बच्चों को अपने आप बनाने, and the group which student is going to go take which group, that is decided by the teachers. For example, there is group A. Group A बोले तो 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Roll number 1, roll number 2, 3, 4, and 5. This is group A. Group B, roll number 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 6 to 10. Roll number group B हो गया ये. Then group C, group D, and so on.
Sir, 11 to 15. So we have to take five children.
5 children. That Smriti ma'am has told you. I will talk to
Yes,
her.
sir. Yes, sir. She has told 5 children.
I will post a message. It will clear every doubt कि from which roll number to which roll number are there in group A. So, and I will post the list of students where you can see the roll number. You can see your roll numbers. That who has roll number 1.
Class is over.